Chinese shipbuilding group CSIC unveiled 3 new submarine designs at the Defense and Security 2017 exhibition held recently in Bangkok, Thailand. The 3 designs, dedicated for the export market, form a new family of submarines to address a range of operational needs and submarine sizes of potential customers. According to CSIC, the MS-200 midget submarine adopts the form of a teardrop and single-hull structure. The sail has a 3-dimension streamlined shape. The steering plane adopts bow hydroplane and cross-stern rudder. Displacing 200 tons, the design is about 30 meters long, 3.6 meters wide and 4.4 meters high. In terms of performance, its maximum speed is about 8 knots, its submerged range is 120 nautical miles and mixed range about 1500 nautical miles. Its maximum diving depth is 200 meters, its endurance is 15 days at sea, and the service life of the submarine is 25 years. The MS-200 can accommodate a crew of 6 sailors plus 8 special forces. Based on the model, this midget submarine has only 2 torpedo tubes. The mid-range submarine displaces 600 tons, it is 50 meters long, 4.6 meters wide and 5.6 meters high. Despite its small size, it is fitted with an air-independent propulsion or AIP module. In terms of performance, its maximum submerged speed is about 15 knots or 9 knots while surfaced. Its range is 2000 nautical miles or 400 nautical miles while submerged on AIP module. Its maximum diving depth is 200 meters. Its endurance is 20 days at sea. The 600-ton submarine can accommodate a crew of 15 personnel. Based on the model, the submarine has 4 torpedo tubes. The S-1100 is the top of the range. It displaces 1,100 tons. The design has a length of about 60 meters, is 5.6 meters wide and 6.8 meters high. Its maximum submerged speed is about 15 knots. Its range is 3000 nautical miles or 800 nautical miles while submerged on the AIP module. Its maximum diving depth is 200 meters. Its endurance is 30 days at sea. The submarine can accommodate a crew of 18 personnel and has a service life of 25 years. Based on the model, the S-1100 submarine has 4 torpedo tubes. CSOC, the export arm of the shipyard, was also showcasing a scale model of the S26T. The Thai government approved the purchase of a submarine from China for $380 million in January 2017. The S26T is reportedly based on the Type 039A in service with the Chinese Navy, also referred as Yuan class. It is a fairly recent design, first commissioned in 2008. The S26T is said to have a length of 77.7 meters, a width of 8.6 meters and a height of 9.2 meters. Its normal displacement is expected to be around 2,600 tons. Its submerged range and endurance is reported to be 768 nautical miles and 21 days while running on the AIP module. The crew complement is 38 sailors. The total cost of the S26T submarine program, which calls for 3 units, will be $1.02 billion. Orders for the 2 additional submarines are expected in the coming years.